So if you have any questions, please ask. We'll clear those doubts pertaining to those topics, and then we'll proceed to the next set of discussions. So shall we proceed to the next topics? Everybody?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So no one has any questions around these three metrics? How to improve this metrics? Okay. So now at the very top level, we have understood to improve crawl frequency, we have to do certain things. And to improve the CTR, we have to do few more things. And to improve engagement, you have to implement again a few more things, right? So now all these things, whatever you implement, are segregated into multiple types of activities, okay? Such as on-page SEO, technical SEO, site-level SEO, and off-page SEO. Okay. So let's get started with each of these things. Okay. So the different types of SEO. So one is on-page SEO, and we're going to understand what all is on-page SEO. Second one is site-level SEO. Third one is technical SEO, and fourth one is off-page SEO. Okay. So we'll get started with the first one. What is on-page SEO? See, on-page SEO is any implementations that you do on web pages specific to that web page. It's not going to be universal or same for all the web pages. It's applicable only to that particular page. So let's go to one of the web page. So take a look at this. Right. See now what you see here in the top rated web tech marketing solutions company. This is called as title, right? And whatever you see on Google search, maybe I'll just search. Uh, yeah. See, for organic search results, whatever it's been shown here on the Google, it's called as meta title and this is meta description. Okay. So these two on this page are nowhere appearing, right? Are nowhere appearing. These are usually put in the head section of the HTML. Put in the head section of the HTML and are mainly for Google search engine for the browsers, right? So now since this is hidden for the real people on this web page, see anything that is hidden is called as meta information, and here this meta information is mainly for search engines, browsers, and servers, right? So that's what you see here. So let me search something like this, and you would see the same on Google. Cantra Digital. Look at this. You see this top rated web tech marketing solutions. That's what we implemented here. See, look at this top rated web tech marketing solutions company. Cantra Digital, correct? And the description is a premium agency building a web presence, tech solutions, and marketing solutions for a decade and has been. So this can be probably some text from the web page also. See, search engines can randomly pick any piece of text from the within the web page, right? So now these titles and descriptions are going to be different for different pages. Now look at this. Let's go to this web. Boast your career. So something this is wrong. You see this top rated content writing services, professional copywriting, something like that. So title, description, and this is called as H1. See, all these are going to be different from page to page, correct? But now if you observe, this logo is same on all the pages. Logo is same on all the pages. It's not just logo, there are multiple things which will be common and which will be unique to those pages, specific to those pages. This is specific to this page, this is specific to this page, and the information put up on this page is also specific to this page, right? And there is something called as SEO content. Look at this. These are all the keyword optimized information of the content for this web page. And same way, this web page will also have title is going to be unique, description which is not visible here, but when you check it here, it's going to be shown here. Control F D S C R I. Yeah, here it is. Meta name, description, content. A premium agency building a web presence, tech solutions. It's been written by someone. It's not grammatically correct. Okay, okay. Anyways, we are not looking into it whether it's grammatically correct or not. So now you see this, right? And this is visible only in the code in the head section of the HTML and here on the Google search results, like this, something like this, right? So are you all following me? Are you all understanding this? Web page, right? Anything that you implement on the web page which is specific or unique only to that web page is called as on page, on page implementation. And since these implementations are going to purely to optimize it for search engines, correct? Mainly these are to optimize it for search engines. We want this page to be showing up on the Google. We want this page to be considered for crawling by bots, right? Any implementation that you do on the web page specific to that web page, right, which is not universal, which is not applicable for the complete website. If you are implementing logo, that's applicable for the complete website, right? If you are implementing that's applicable for complete website is called as site level SEO. See, I am just taking logo as an example. There are n number of implementations which we are going to discuss, right? So now let's get started with on-page SEO. What all we are going to do with the on-page SEO? What is the primary thing that's needed to get started with the on-page SEO? We'll get started with that. Okay, so before that we understand site level SEO as well, right? See, on-page SEO, I'll just read the definition. The SEO implementations, are the practices which are unique to the web page, and this activity aims at optimizing every single web page for a defined set of keywords and takes care of marketing and selling elements on the web page, which basically contributes for engagement, right? So, which basically contributes for the improvement of all the three metrics such as all the three metrics, not such as all the three metrics: crawl stats, CTR. Yes, on page SEO. We are going to do that as well. We are going to. So now here at the top level, we are defining them, and now we will get into in depth of how to write a title, what is needed to write a title, description, what all things are needed to start with on page SEO. Okay. So everybody understood SEO implementations are practices which are unique to the web page, and this activity aims at optimizing every single web page for defined set of keywords and takes care of marketing and selling elements on the web pages, which basically contributes of for the improvement of all the three metrics. Those are crawl stats, CTR, and engagement. On-page SEO mainly focuses on keyword allocation to the web pages, keyword optimized title, description, H1, alt tags, and content, marketing tactics, and selling elements on the web page. So on-page SEO is also about implementing marketing tactics and selling elements on the web page. It's all going to be different, right? If you are speaking about digital marketing, it's going to be different. If you are speaking about mango, it's going to be different, right? If you are speaking about a water bottle, it's going to be different. The communication of the selling elements, even if it is the same, which is completely relevant, like let's say digital marketing, SEO, PPC, the communication, the selling elements, the requirements are going to be different, right? This is similar to an effort that a salesperson puts. See, on page SEO, you're going to do all of these things. You will understand it better. So once we are done with defining this top level definitions, we will get started with each of this one by one. Did you all understand, guys, what is on page SEO? So keyword allocation, you will be confused a bit for now. What is this keyword allocation to the web pages? We'll get started with that. Okay. But just remember, on page SEO is all about optimization of every single web page on your SEO with a specific or a unique information to that page. What kind of information? The information is both for bots and for users, right? In order to enable that page to rank on Google. The main goal is to make this page enable to rank on Google, and the process, obviously you are going to improve the crawl stats, CTR, and engagement. Site level SEO. Site level SEO is in general an implementation that's applicable to the complete website or to most parts of the website, or ideally an instruction or details about the website to the search engines. Most of the site level SEO implementations are also on page SEO implementations. The site level SEO mainly focuses on breadcrumbs, rich snippets, XML and HTML sitemaps, UI UX, the site level marketing and selling elements, robots.txt. There are many more, right? So these are applicable to the complete web pages, complete websites. It's one particular type of implementation that's commonly applicable or implemented to complete website. Rich snippets also the same thing. The XML and HTML sitemap is also same thing. The UI UX concept is also going to be one time for your website, for your web pages. It's not going to change for every web page. So for example, if you look at this, so look at this, web development services. And what is this page about? This is also web development, content writing. Yeah. So this is web development page. This is web development. So just take a look at it. The structure of this page, user experience and user interface is not changing. The user interface is the colors, the font sizes, the text, the images, everything that you see is user interface, and user experiences the experience that you get with this web page. For example, get started. It's scrolling you to a particular section. See, all this UI UX is completely same for both the pages. If you scroll through this, it's all going to be same. Just observe this. Observe this based learning. So where you watch the recorded videos and you learn digital marketing. Correct? So now, if you have to understand what all the possible searches are happening around the business, how are you going to understand it? Is digital marketing a good career? So, digital marketing, a good career. Next is digital marketing job openings. Digital marketing versus software testing. So, now tell me which is being searched most number of times. Is it digital marketing versus software testing, or is digital marketing a good career? See, the first problem to get started with producing some content for your website is, first problem is understanding how people search about your business. Second problem is you have no clue how many people are searching your business this way. Correct? Right? See, there will be few thousands of people searching like this every month, and several thousands of people searching like this. Digital marketing versus software testing. But you not knowing how many, what the demand or potential of this, you will wrongly prioritize your work activities, right? So it's important to understand how is your business queried, and it's also important to understand how many people are searching your business this way. Correct? Correct? And we call there is an activity performed in understanding all of these things. See, each of your name we can understand like how many people are googling, how many people are searching. So let's get started with it. So now these activities we call it as keyword research. Okay, so let me take you to, yeah, let's come here. See, anybody can sign up to this tool called ads.google.com. Ads.google.com. See, this tool, this platform has got multiple tools in it. So one of them is to research how is your business queried and to understand how many people are searching for it. Second one is this tool helps you to run ad campaigns, launch Google Ads, the search campaigns. This tool as well in depth once we start with the performance marketing or Google Ads parts. Okay. For now, you all can sign up ads.google.com using your email ID. It's completely free. All the Google products, especially which are helping you to uh, run your marketing campaigns, are all free. Okay. So let me reload this. So this is an interesting tool. How many of you already know about this? Guys, anybody already know about it? Are you all there?
Uh, yes.
Okay. So let's quickly
Okay.
get started. So this tool, you just give one input to this tool. Okay. So let's take that input as chocolates online. Chocolates online, and this is going to give you few tens of terms. Everything that's searched around chocolates. I'll show it to you. See, for me, when I had seen this tool for the first time in 2010 or 11, so that was a wonder for me. Like, super excited to reuse this tool again and again, right? So now, still loading, yeah. And all of you can sign up to this tool. You can do it right away if you're on the computer, or just watch it, and after this class, we can do it. Only for keyword research. Yeah. So after signing up an account, you can use one of your email ID and you can sign up for ads.google.com. After signing up, it will ask you to launch a first campaign. You can ignore all of them. So once you are on any interface, if you see these options, tools and settings, just click on tools and settings. You will see an option called keyword planner. Okay. See, if you are running ads, you can. So now something is running on your mind, your business. Let's take this chocolates only. Buy chocolates. Using the tool, we are just accessing the Google's information or data. Correct? You will know how much money is in your bank account. Correct? Correct? Now think of me using the password or username, or there is an option for me to create an account, another account within your account and access all your information. It is something like this. Google has all this information with it, and when we sign up for ads.google.com, this tool will be accessible for you, and then you can select region. So I want the searchers I'm curious or interested in knowing in India, not any other country. I can change this to only Bangalore, only Hyderabad, only Mumbai, and even in Bangalore, only few locations, few pin codes. Okay, I don't want any of that now. I'll just go with Bangalore, sorry, India, or maybe just Bangalore also is fine. I'll show you how to add it. See, Bangalore, you can target. So I'm not adding it for now. It's just complete country and default language is English. So in India, it's mostly searched in English only, right on the Google. If it is European country, people use different languages, French, Spanish, or something else. Correct? In China, they use Chinese, but they don't use Google or something else. But anyways, just click on get results. See the list of keywords. Every month, right? Buy chocolates is being searched 320 times every month. So now a website owner who is selling chocolates online doesn't know that people search all of this online like this. He will just put a
Homemade chocolates.
sorry. Okay, I'll attempt it again. Just let's run and all those that you are telling. Okay, So one is homemade homemade chocolate, and next is
Sugar free.
sugar free chocolate. Okay, get results. It's loading. Just hold on. These are called as seed keywords. So based on that, now it gave you 3,408 keywords. Seed keywords are one, 2, 3, 4, 5 keywords, right? So you can see the volume of the seed keywords as well. Just let's scroll through this page. Let me go to the top. Derived out of your seed keywords, born out of your seed inputs, seed keyword inputs, 3,408 keywords. See, it's not just helping you with the search volumes, there are various kinds of details around it. 3 month change in the recent 3 months, buy chocolate year change year on year, most of them are to show up for your business or your ads on Google for these keywords. The competition is very high. The competition will be high, medium, and low. So medium, accordingly the CPs also will vary. If you have to show your ad on Google for these kinds of terms, so mostly it will be product listing ads, and the price will be 2.55 rupees, and the maximum top of the page bid will be 55 rupees. So it is giving you a rough estimate. If you have to show your business on Google for terms like this, how much you should be spending or investing. Buy candies, you have to, the CPC is 13.63 to 37.24. This is top of the page high range. It's providing you the range. So when you start the actual ads, per click you might spend 20 rupees. See, what is the price of the chocolate, guys? 20 rupees. And now if rupees to Google to purchase 20 rupees chocolate or 50 rupees chocolate, 100 rupees chocolate, 10 rupees per click you are paying to Google. It's not even sale. 10 rupees is paid to Google just for a click. And 100 people will click, only 10 people will buy. For 100 people, you must have spent 1000 rupees, and even if 10 people purchase, the business that happened for you was 1000 rupees. Even if chocolate price is 100 rupees, if 10 people are purchasing, the total revenue generated is 1000 rupees, and the expenses incurred in generating that 1000 rupees is again 1000 rupees. It's complete loss, right? But still people are bidding.
So,
Yeah.
so you mean to say that this kind of things doesn't work much on social platform?
No, not social. This is on Google.
Sorry, sorry, on the Google.
It's not that it goes with the businesses. See, if you are selling only chocolates, right? See, now we are just seeing this data and we are making assumptions. See, what if people who have come to buy chocolates, see, there is a possibility the person might buy only one chocolate and leave the website. A person might buy a box, right? A person might buy a truck full of chocolates. Forget about box or truck. A person will buy only chocolates if he comes to the website. There is a good possibility of buying something else along with the chocolates. Correct? Are
Yes.
you all following me? Right? So now businesses doesn't see this as isolated spend. Just they don't isolate only what is the cost incurred in selling a chocolate. They try to understand the recurring income from this customer. If a person is purchasing chocolate from them, their strategy will be such that this person continues to buy throughout their life. And it's not going to be just chocolate. Chocolate was just a reason for him to catch hold of that person. And now this person, along with chocolate, he buys some other gift, something else. And he might have purchased 2000 worth of products or 10,000 worth of products on his website. Along with chocolates, he must have ordered the cake as well. Who knows, right? So now this is completely dependent on the business. It varies from business to business. Business owners will experiment. Business owners will have strategies to make more revenue from this customer either in the first order or on the go. So if you are incapable of doing either of these things in the first order, if you are not capable of reaping maximum from this customer, your ads are not going to work. And you don't have the long term strategy from this customer, your ads outcome is not great. There is no return on the investment. Correct? Are you all getting it? Nothing wrong, right? Spend 50 rupees also for this customer. Spend 100 rupees for a customer to get one sale, and he might have purchased 3000 rupees worth of product from you, and he continues to buy like that throughout his tenure, his life, until under some other business comes and acquires the customer, right? That's a different thing whether your ads will work or not. But for now, we are understanding. We will understand that as well when we start the ads, whether ads are going to be useful for us or not. Okay. So for now, what you understand is this tool is helping you to understand how many times your product is being searched on Google, right? So maybe we'll try out with weight loss products. Can I get some terms around weight loss products? How do you think people will search? See, if you're not certain what kind of inputs have to be given, you just go to Google and you start products, Patanjali weight loss products, Amazon. See, people are searching like this. You can start inputting these terms. So I'll start inputting these terms. One, and my second input is going to be weight loss products for women. See, this was not running on my mind that I have to put weight loss products for women. I have to put weight loss for Ayurvedic product or weight loss homemade product or something like that. I'll simply put weight loss products also. Yeah. Just let's go with this. Just click on get results. See, if you are a business selling this, you can sell it to any part of the globe, across the globe. You just have to maintain some norms or standards of each country. They expect certain kinds of licenses, right? And if you are good with all of that, you can sell it to any part of the globe. So yeah, so showing 1761 keywords. And now weight loss products without side effects 320 searches. Best weight loss products for women 2900 searches every month. And the trend is going up. If you look at this for women, see, look at this here, 2.4k February 2023, and now 3.6. And which month is this? Must be December probably. So it has come to close to 4,000 searches a month. It's going up. Now let's put few more weight loss products for women, supplements, best bodybuilding weight loss products, cheap weight loss products. So that was not my intention. It was showing up. I just wanted to add one more keyword and I have added it. So which keywords to be added? Again, you scroll through this list. So there are so many keywords: weight loss, tablets, fat burner for women, best diet. So now your product could be only one, but it can be launched it in this many number of types, and you can sell them. That's what people do, right? So it's the same ice cream, vanilla, strawberry, that, this, correct? Same thing, right? Just colors and flavors, correct? So now same way, I don't know how far these kinds of products can be done that way, right? So now if you could spend some more time and research in detail, you will get few thousands of keywords. We collect keywords from this tool as I has 1 lakh or 2 lakh keywords also. So what we do is we'll download this. Let me show it to you. Let's download this. Click on this download button. Click on this .csv. You'll get the file. You'll get this 1800 keywords. See now, Google will not give you the ending. See, we spend several lakhs every 100 to 10,000 people search, but you don't know what is that 100 between 100 to 10,000. How many people are searching? You will never get to know, right? So a paid version of so if you are spending on ads, even a very small amount, Google will provide this information to you. It was not that way earlier. In recent years, Google has made it like that. Yeah. See, as a SEO professional, you have to be very thorough with this keyword research. You have to be smooth. Super stock or tablets are not available, and I'll put instead you can buy this powder. Correct. Somebody comes to your shop and asks you for particular variety of apple. That apple is not available. Tell this is a new variety. This is the best variety. This is most sweeter, and you will sell that variety, right? What do they want? They want apple which tastes very good, right? There are thousands of varieties of apples, right? They know only one variety, and still you are not disappointing them with their expectations. That is quality, correct? The taste, right? So same way now when I did a keyword research, I can launch n number of pages on my website like this. Okay. So now let me do on this quickly. Let me do one thing. I'll descending order. Descending order is highest volume, highest average monthly searches. Look at this average monthly searches. I'll sort this in the descending order. Click on the data and click on this Z2A. Right? Apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Gain weight powder, weight loss tablets. See, weight loss tablets is highest has highest number of searches. Fat burner for men, fat burner pill, fat burner. You see this weight loss powder has 5400. See, weight loss powder we did not input. We had inputted all that we inputted was product, something like that, correct? So let's input. Let's input weight loss powder, which is the next highest search volume. Herbal Life seems to be a brand, so you have to decide now should you be inputting this keyword or not. Best weight loss products, top weight loss products, products for weight loss, good weight loss product, best fat loss product, protein powder for gain weight loss, protein shakes for weight loss, diet supplements for weight loss. Maybe you can input this term as well, diet supplements. And fat loss drinks. So if we have something like that, a powder can be mixed with liquid and can be converted to fat loss drink. You can launch a product, fat loss drinks. Best dietary supplements for women weight. Herbal product for weight loss. This is also a good keyword. Herbal product for weight loss. I can input up to 10 keywords. Good weight loss supplements for women. Maybe we can Tea in weight loss. See now, I never, I did not had understanding tea for weight loss and all something products can be launched. So now this keyword research is helping the business owner also to launch such products. What is there? The same recipe, the same ingredient, mix it with the tea powder. They will prepare tea using that. I don't know if that's really possible or not, but if it is possible, that's a new opportunity for you. Correct? So click on get results. So it gave you 4067 keywords. So this way we download data multiple times. Again, we update this 4000 to the same sheet. We sort the data by search volumes, higher to lower search volume in the descending order. And again, we input the different set of terms every times. And if we continue to do it like this for some time, the list grows to. Let me open this as well. So what I'll do is I'll copy everything from this sheet. Let me bring all of that to the sheet again. Okay, I can delete this. Okay, again go to the top, do the same data that way, right? So now total list grew to around 6000 keywords. Five certain things like apple cider vinegar for fat loss, or maybe I can say see now based on the product I'll do two different types of segregations based on the intention and based on the product. See, product is people are putting apple, buy banana, buy mango, correct? Buy grapes, apple, grapes, banana, mango, or product names or category names, right? Now, apple can be searched as buy apple, order apple, online shopping apple. This way, there can be 100 variations. Buy, order, anything that's conveying intention. Which is the best apple? Which their intention is to understand the varieties, different types of apples. Their intention is to know the different varieties of apples. See, the term that's used along with your product name to is basically which is indicating the intention of the search is called as pattern. Correct? Pattern and category is usually the product name or the service name. Okay, so let's try doing that. Let's first start marking the patterns. See, for me patterns here will be powder, tablet, right? Herbal, something like the choose, contains tablet. So don't worry, I'll be marking all of them as tablets. Now now here eliminate tablets. Okay, so now contains powder, powder, right? Powder. All these are using the term powder in it. 864 keywords. To the right bottom you could see 864 keywords are using powder. Next I'll use tablets, powder, medicine. Medicine very few, I guess, 35 keywords. I'll remove this, clear this, and I'll go through this drink. Drink is one more. 456 keywords has drinks. Okay. Pills, people are searching pills. CILLP. So okay, always put singular, singular. 346. Are you all getting it? See, instead of buy, order, and all, so this thing people will just search as tablets, powder, something like that. They don't put buy ghee and all, but still, and hence I did not go with the terms like buy and all. So I'm just trying to find supplement. Are you all understanding how to categorize the keywords? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll remove this filter now. So, so people are searching burner, not powder or a tablet or pills. Tea. People are searching tea as well. Tea is one, burner is one, coffee is one, and then products. Tea. There are so many tea searches. Coffee. So I don't know what else it's been searched as. So I'll remove the filter, and I'll go through this again. How many are there still to categorize? 2,702. Almost more than 50% are being best mass gainer, best protein shake. Shake is another thing. Shake or juice, I don't know. Shake. So now this is giving me an idea. If I'm selling a weight loss product, I can actually put an outlet where I can sell the shakes there itself. Weight loss shakes. Pick a nice place which has got lots of floating population, right? Who has got very good volatile income, who are in the age group where they are more focused on spending and eating a lot and not bother or concerned about their health or diet. You put a center, weight loss shakes, juices, or drinks, whatever, even this will get sold. Pills, tablets will get sold, powders will get sold. Over there, they drink along with some fruits, the juice kind of thing, and they buy the powders, they buy the tablets, pills, whatsoever it is. Right? Right? So now, burner and products. Juice. See, people are searching weight loss juice. And how many searches are there? See, weight loss. You know, weight loss juice, ashgod pumpkin will help for weight loss. Ginger juice for weight loss. People are searching different. See, I have seen one guy here in HSR layout. He was selling Nandini products. Nandini is, you all know, right? Karnataka, yeah, dairy, dairy milk, curd, everything, all the milk products. So this person has put a juice center. He was mainly giving the herbal kind of juices, but he never used any kind of the pain point on his board. He just had put juice center. People will think it to be a some random juice center. So if he had focused on these terms like weight loss, he was actually giving ginger, pudina, some other herbals, everything. So just because he did not get or understand all of these things, he couldn't grab the attention of people. So you have to understand what is the pain point. So now here, herbal product for weight loss. So Herbal Life is a brand, I guess. So what we can do is, This has eliminated all Herbalife brand. Okay, I'll just mark it as herbal. Maybe I'll put burner also one. Burner, wait, burner, no, not burner. Okay, so let's assume we have marked patterns. So you can continue to identify products maybe. Okay, so I am done with the patterns. Let's assume I'm done with the patterns. Now insert category or product name. I'll just mark it as category for now. So what do I do here? See, Control Shift L is a filter. So now I'll put loss. All these are related to weight loss. So now I'll just pick the blanks here. I don't want to mark anything again for which already I have marked. People have put LOSC also. For now I'll just put K. People are searching using the spelling. I'm used, it's always weight loss only, right? Burner is another thing. Burner is also weight loss only. BURNER. Burner indicates they want to lose the weight. So I'll mark that as well as weight loss, or you can mark it as burner only for now, but I'll not do that. I'll just mark it as weight loss. So if you find anything related to stomach ache, headache, and something else, you can mark them as well. Reduce. Reduce is also weight loss only. See how are people searching. See, when you do this activity of segregation of the keywords, you will get to understand better how what kind of terms are used by people. Loss, lost, lose, burning, reduce, burning. Why burning? Burner we have used burner. Burning is not being used. Okay, I'll mark them as burning only. Slimming is also related to weight loss only. So I'll just mark it as slimming for now. I'm not getting so that's weight loss only. I'll just mark slimming only here. Okay. So let's assume this way you have or weight gain or headache or stomach, which has been most searched. Just select all of your data like this. Click on insert. I'm parallelly also helping you out to understand how can you quickly understand which has got more number of searches or less number of searches. Click on insert and then click on this pivot table, new worksheet, yes. And now I'm going to do this category, the number of keywords. So unmarked will be more, I guess. Anyways, and then average monthly searches. Are you all getting this? How many of you have used the pivot tables earlier?
Not me.
Okay. So now you can use this data. So I will just put it as category, and category is blank first. I will put ABC, and this is keyword count. Keyword count, and this is average monthly searches every month. And I'll select this, insert, maybe I'll plot this graph. So from your data you understand weight loss has highest number of searches. Do you all know how many people are searching every month weight loss products? Close to a million searches are happening for weight loss. This is 9,50,610. We did not even do a complete detailed research. This is this being the session, a class, we just added few keywords, close to 5,000 keywords, and your weight loss product is being searched 1 million times at least, right? And people are also using terms like slimming, burning, weight gain. See, only 10 percentage of the people are looking for weight gain. This is just 10 percentage of weight loss, correct? Earlier that was vice versa. There were people were fit, probably it would have been, there was no weight loss concept at all, back to several decades, right? And now this can be presented in the form of pie chart as well, and it looks very interesting. Maybe even this can be presented that way. You can put weight share of, either you can pick this one or this one. Since we have already taken this, I'll just go with this. Insert, I'll show 90% of the searches are happening for weight loss this way. Right click and add data labels, and it shows the number of keywords. Format, data labels, I'll show this in the form of percentage. See, of your total keywords, 67% of the keywords are related to weight loss only. If you all could observe this, it is 67 percentage. 67% of your searches are completely related to weight loss. So I'm intentionally doing this. I want you all to observe this, what I'm doing here, so that you can do that too. Okay. So this way we present the data and we summarize your product. So see, now you are a business who are selling multiple products. Who are selling, let's assume you are selling weight gain product, weight loss product, you are selling something else, some 20, 30 varieties of products. So now as a digital marketer, you can present to the business owner that your so and so product has this many number of searches, or of all that this particular product has highest number of searches. A business or digital marketers now will start focusing on this. Though all they must be selling 20 different products, but based on the search volume they can start focusing on each of this one by one, whichever has highest number of searches. See, that's how it works, right? Even farmers will cultivate the crop which has very good price, right? That's how everybody will plant tomatoes, and tomato price goes to 1 rupee. If garlic price is very high, everybody will cultivate garlic, and in the next 6 months, garlic price will be the lowest, right? Over there, it's a wrong strategy for farmers, but here you all can wisely. So there is nothing as such. If this has higher search volumes, you can focus optimizing more for these types of pages, creating these kinds of products, speaking more about this. Correct. So doing a business in Bangalore and doing a business in a small village has huge difference, right? Always we prefer to sell it in a place where there is a huge demand, where there is a higher population. Correct. Same is the case here. Correct. So you can. So now you are selling headache product, stomachache product, and 20 different varieties of products. Since this has highest number of searches, you can start focusing first on this, so that you will immediately see the returns. And let's assume this is the lowest searched, lowest potential, and if you're focusing more, even if you are reaching maximum potential of it, you won't be making much business. And now if this was related to digital marketing training, same way I would have got several thousands of keywords, and accordingly we would have started writing about digital marketing pages, web pages. People would have searched digital marketing training in HSR layout, digital marketing training in Bangalore, in BTM, in Mar11, correct? We could have launched all of them as the training pages, service pages, direct searches. Indirect searches, is digital marketing a good career option? Why should everybody learn digital marketing, right? What is the syllabus of digital marketing? What kind of salaries are paying? Which all companies are hiring digital marketers? Which country is best to work in a digital marketing role? Which all countries are looking for more digital marketers? See, I would have got to see in all these kinds of terms, and I would have produced content related to it, and people whomsoever are reading my articles on the same page I would have promoted. So we have batch in the coming week. You can register for that batch. So which we are not doing. I am telling you to do all of these things. We are not doing any of these things. Okay. Okay, that's Sapa. That's different discussion. Okay, we don't have to get into it. But you all understood, right? How to do a keyword research, right? So this is the first step. So why you have to do keyword research? Business owners have no proper understanding. They'll have only one web page. They will expect this web page, their home page, to rank for anything related to their business. So for example, if it's a real estate, they expect this page to rank up for properties in HSR, properties in Sarjapur, properties in Mar11, properties in Whitefield. No, that's not going to happen. 2 BHK villas, sorry, 2 BHK apartments, 2 BHK, 3 BHK apartments. They are expecting their homepage to show up for all of these terms or variations. It's not going to happen. You have to create respective number of separate web pages, a unique experience to the user based on the searches. Can you expect your homepage to rank up for apple, mango, banana, pineapple, grapes, pomegranate, watermelon, muskmelon? No. Create a separate page for each of these products, fruits, and put the respective fruit image, respective details pertaining to that product. And that's going to be the best experience. Not only best experience, you will get an opportunity to optimize all the searches or variations. Buy pomegranate online, online pomegranate, order pomegranate now, pomegranate online, or pomegranate near me, or something else, right? Best pomegranate to buy, it can be anything. If you have multiple separate pages, you can optimize all of them, right? So now this data helps business owners also to plan some products, or at least to launch multiple pages around the same product, right? Weight loss product for women, weight loss product for men, correct? Maybe age groups, maybe tablets, maybe pills. It's the same thing. On tablets page you will write it as tablet, on pills page you will write it as pill. Ultimately that's tablet only, correct? Fine. So in the next class we'll understand from this keyword data how do we allocate keywords to respective web pages if already web pages are created. For some websites, if you're launching your website for the first time, how do you suggest to the business owner what kind of pages have to be launched? It depends on your products as well. So if you're selling 10 different types of weight loss products for women, and showing 10 different products has got a different experience, we'll discuss that in the coming class. But up to here it's all clear, right? Anybody has any questions around this? No? No one has questions?
Not at the moment.
Okay. So there are two scenarios. One, there are no questions. One, either you must be understanding it very well, or you may not be understanding it all. Which is true now? Are you all grasping it, or not at all understanding it? Bored about it?
It's not bored, sir. It's very interesting, but I think we have to work on it.
Yeah, interesting. So when I had first time I had come across this, I was really in love with it, and I used to do every day the same thing until I got bored with that activity. Okay, I used to. So I in fact wanted to do by putting all of your names today. You would have seen how your names are searched on Google and how many times, and what are the related people name. You would have seen along with your name some other surnames getting added. It would have automatically given all of that to you. Okay, celebrities, popular personalities. Yeah. So if there are no questions, we'll wind it up for today, and we can connect back tomorrow. Is that fine?
Okay. Yes, yeah.
Yeah, let's connect back